students. Today we are going to discuss about soil. Question 1. What are the main types of soil? Answer. The main types of soil are sandy soil, clay soil, silt soil, peat soil and loamy soil. Question 2. What elements are commonly found in soil? Answer. Soil contains various elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and micronutrients like iron, manganese, zinc, copper, and boron. Question 3. How is soil composition determined? Answer. Soil composition is determined by the proportion of sand, silt, and clay particles as well as organic matter, water, and air content. Next question. What is the ideal composition of loamy soil? Answer. Loamy soil ideally consists of approximately 40% sand, 40% silt and 20% clay with ample organic matter. Question 5. Where is peat soil commonly found? Answer. Peat soil is commonly found in wetlands, marshes and bogs characterized by high organic matter content. Question 6. Which soil type retains water most effectively? Answer. Clay soil retains water most effectively due to its small particle size and high surface area. Question 7. What is the significance of soil pH? Answer. Soil pH affects nutrient availability to plants. Acidic soil pH below 7 may limit nutrient uptake, while alkaline soil pH above 7 can cause nutrient imbalances. Question 8. What is the role of humus in soil? Answer. Humus, decayed organic matter, improves soil structure, fertility, water retention and nutrient availability. Question 9. Which layer of soil contains the most organic matter? Answer. The top soil layer, A horizon, contains the most organic matter, providing nutrients for plant growth. Question 10. What causes soil erosion? Answer. Soil erosion is caused by factors such as water runoff, wind, deforestation, overgrazing, and poor agricultural practices. Question 11. Which regions are known for their fertile soil? Answer. Regions like the Nile Delta, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the American Midwest, and the Pampas in Argentina are known for their fertile soil due to factors like sediment deposition, climate, and topography. Question 12. How does soil texture affect plant growth? Answer. Soil texture influences water retention, aeration, and nutrient availability, thus affecting plant root development and overall growth. Question 13. What is the role of soil microorganism? Answer. Soil microorganisms decompose organic matter, fix nitrogen, and aid in nutrient cycling, contributing to soil fertility and ecosystem health. Question 14. What is the significance of soil conservation? Answer. Soil conservation practices prevent soil erosion, maintain soil fertility, and preserve biodiversity, ensuring sustainable agriculture and ecosystem stability. Question 15. How does soil fertility impact crop productivity? Answer. Soil fertility determined by nutrient content and soil structure directly influences crop yield and quality by providing essential nutrients for plant growth. Question 16. What is the difference between soil horizons? Answer. Soil horizons such as topsoil A horizon, subsoil B horizon, and parent material C horizon vary in composition, texture, and nutrient content, reflecting different stages of soil development. Question 17. Which soil type is prone to compaction? Answer. Clay soil is prone to compaction due to its small particle size and tendency to form hard, impermeable layers. Question 18. How does soil pH affect microbial activity? Answer. Soil pH influences microbial activity acidic conditions can inhibit microbial growth, while neutral to slightly acidic pH levels promote microbial diversity and function. Question 19. What are the effects of soil pollution on ecosystem? Answer. Soil pollution caused by industrial chemicals, pesticides and heavy metals can degrade soil quality, harm plant and animal life, and contaminate posing risk to human health and environment. Question 20. How does soil management contribute to sustainable agriculture? Answer. Sustainable soil management practices such as crop rotation, cover cropping, organic farming, and minimal tillage promote soil health, biodiversity, and long term productivity while minimizing environmental impacts.